Hey, what's up everyone? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to Tips with Alam. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable the apps that start up on your booting. So these are the apps that automatically start when you turn on your system. Okay, so I've been very, irritated with these apps. So one of which is Microsoft Teams. I have nothing against it. It's a wonderful app, but this has been a real pain in the neck for me because I'm using this laptop, which is very old, so it's very laggy. So let me show you how we can disable it. So to disable it, go to your desktop and right click on this taskbar. You will see this menu pop up. Just select Task Manager. This will open the Task Manager for you. And from all these options here, go to Startup. And these are the apps that are currently on the startup list, which basically means these are the apps that will start up when you turn on your system. So I can see HP Message Service is also turned on. So let me turn Microsoft Teams off. To turn this off, just right click on it and click on disable and click on disable again. That's it. Now this apps will not auto start and your system will be fast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you.